Akwari andeosi asmana mutorigereti abanchi federation ya SK News Media korwa kinseme chiga cha usini kongo batevinga mbiamuno asoko nyara koira chinga cheno boy ko gutorigeria akobatekana to yana to koretera amangana maya ajata gotoka andosi asensengima asejida ke cha bono iga ni kongo bamanyanga omugusino monto mangeni yata nande ni garo monto mangeni munege tingi nyekeria ngeni kyanya to koreta obundi nabo kagacha egesera kya ekamenya azinga kechiga gonko banyorianga omugusino monto mangeni mono kima kopata kananga omugusia sachira chire igako nara kwikaransa nandolgeria bantu baria asa chire onarko kwekana yagera omugusio nara kumanyikana ando nara kwanchwa egiata bono igani gonko bare travela to kopata kanano omugusio ito oyoro kinsemo cha America nande boye karege to ni garenge miaka kyanda yoka korende kranya to ko komanya sense media iganya to komanya egesongo egiata na boye kamanya kokwana buna basongo baria nande krokenda kabaetania bono abantu bane barwa tabanga omugusini garo murere na kyo mugusi aro muriri nande kokana kinse kya basongo kwanyara kuboria ekrogoro nande weta nduka kyo gutumia abasongo baka baza kuigwa onye tari egesongo kyabo asiri tukulia rero nande kise kyabo noiga nigona yako letera omusbati oyomo oyo nyara kuboria ekrogyo bosene ta kinse mu kya America Minnesota nande akanyara kokeira asenga ke no ale Kenya gaiga agenda totara abantu bagusina bagwakwanya nakonyara kubaira sabuna ingikere asikinse mu kya America asebonega omwishimiwa Hulde Mumanyi no arne nchegaiga bonega tigango ndamuleta na kwakwanya nande bagumunyara kugoma kyao kwana osena aseteke kusigo starage sira asebonega omwishimiwa Hulde karibu na onyala kukwana na bagusiba minto. I think you have seen what they are doing actually, yes, or what they have done so far. Yes. So is there any way that you can assist them so that they can sell their products in America?
That's a very good question. So why I'm here, maybe if I give you context, you'll understand, maybe that will answer the question. I am here to benchmark. I think about Kenya, I got a benchmark.
Yeah.
And they go to America or UK or whatever to benchmark. I am here to also benchmark, my friend. I'm trying to work with my team back home to organize a economic trade mission to Kenya.
Yes.
What does that mean? It means that I'm trying to target 4 areas: education, healthcare, technology, and agriculture, to see how can we come up with strategies that are mutually beneficial. Because now my priority is the people of Minnesota.
Una mwanya kwa omwishimiwa Hulde Mumanyi agoteba asikinse mu kiri kya America barumuri nyagoro kwa honorable otatika goro kunga Hulde Mumanyi mbari nyagoro otoya abantu ekyagera Kenya gege mwana yale mono nane mono asikinse kitu kya Africa ni tutona tuko nyagoro ka abantu baito barito choranga abayishimiwa asegumwe America yeta muneli bwishimiwa ndiyo otatika bakumruka eliyete ya ebeni korunga Hulde Mumanyi aseigo tikango nandi turagenda koigwanga ninki omwishimiwa agototebya kendrete.
This is Honorable Hulde Mumanyi Hiltsley, representative from the great state of Minnesota. I am here in Ogembo. Whoever thought that I would be in Ogembo?
It's a great surprise.
I am here because of my wonderful sister Catherine, yes, and the Global Talanta organization. Yani, she was very persistent. Normally when I get requests, there's a lot of requests, but when she invited me, I looked at her organization and it's legitimate. You know, the work that she's doing, her and her team, and the wonderful ladies and men, yeah, who are also behind the global organization Talanta. So I'm here to officially open this headquarters here and to also encourage the work that is being done here.
Mwishimiwa nigo agenda tokeresa na boy gobono iga nigo ntegetaire senga ngekero de Kenya ni myakere ngarenge na nigo inakina mate kuzulo stake manyete ngakegeta America ngakyakorta ga BF akamunu mu America mpaka baje kumwigena na boy gokomo chora buna omo senator asense ya Minnesota tigango na ndo gendera kubwatia omugano bwo mwishimiwa Hulde Mumanyi korukinse mu Jamira lakini omete kinse mu America na nigo representative omugusyo mugima.
America I still know Kegusigi. By the way, I don't know Swahili as much as I know Kegusigi. And why is that? It's because of my parents. They made sure I know where I come from, I know my culture, and that's how we are going to save Omogusi. You know, we can't sit here and pretend that we don't have a role to play in this. Parents, what abanaga. So mingo abana ba aweke gusi. You know that there's some people who go to America. I don't know how to speak that. Yani, I feel very sad and embarrassed for them.
Tigango bono turakaribisha umheshimiwa Hulda Momanyi chinsemeji cha tendre aigamana nasi enga kibono anyarego ikakurwa asegari yeme bono ngo endale mpaka ofisi anyareko ba ogosaini getabu na ande bagongo tana ni gwale maria arolenga binto kebiga abangina bakorosia una ebinto biege tradition gosebye kenyeji kya omogusi asaigo bono tigango turararigeria chiga
So we go this way.
And with Hulda, we have a representative from Taita Taveta who is representing the Deputy Governor. Taita Taveta. We have our patron. Yeah.
na wikirawe muna mwanya rikoiwa omweshimiwa no ari Kenya ga gabonoiga nigo agerete gwitana na nabo kumanyanga inki abakenya baganeti na mono asikinse mocho ukiria ebyombe ao mono bune byombe byabangina na bo talanta ao mono asoko manyanga ngakyabana bo talanta chire gosena nyale ko bakinia gosena nyale ko basukia egere talanta cyabo cyano kolegasi asamo tukagocha kubwate kananga asamo tukayega digital abantu abange bare asebyombe na mono asi talanta ngobaina dokora ebinte binge mo konyeka goetera chi talanta cyabo ase go kujakira boroiga ningenda to bare tramange bro mushimiwa agenda to tara chisam ai meagusi korigireti SK Media News kabeko subscribe nande kabeko like nande kabeko share nario turagendera amonaye nane lindanya ko baletra amange ko togenderete na immediate buyamono nyasawalinde oyo Sagni Cross Thomas korwa SK Media News.